This is not going to be your typical video. For this video, I'm gonna eat fast food for the first time in months. We're gonna go for this though. And I read on Facebook, everyone's talking about this Impossible Whopper. So I said, I gotta try it. Let's get some nutritional facts first. To introduce the Impossible Whopper from the Burger King website, it is a flame grilled patty made from plants, topped with juicy tomatoes, fresh lettuce, creamy mayonnaise, ketchup, crunchy pickles, and sliced white onions, and a soft sesame seed bun. Just for future reference here, I will not be eating most of the bun. I'm trying to keep it low carb here. Here's the nutrition information. With the bun and everything that comes with it, it's 630 calories, 34 grams of fat. Big thing for me is the carbs. It says 58 grams, but I'm thinking that's mostly with the bread. 4 grams of fiber, which is nice to see, so you can minus 4 grams off the carbs for the way I'm dieting at least. Sugar has 12 grams. I'm hoping that's mostly in the bun, and 25 grams of protein, which is great for me. Well, a little further, and I got the nutrition information for just the burger itself. Nothing. No bread, no nothing else. No mayonnaise, no ketchup. The burger itself is 240 calories, 14 grams of fat, 9 grams of carbs, so I was right about the carbs. It's mostly the bread and everything else in it. 3 grams of fiber, and 19 grams of protein. So I'm looking forward to it, and that's what caught my eye first. I was like, I can definitely try this Impossible Whopper. Let's unwrap it and see what it looks like. First impressions, that's a big burger. 2, the bun is basically the same thing as a Whopper, I think. I don't know, I haven't had a Whopper in like probably years. But let's rip off the top layer here. We definitely have some mayonnaise and lettuce. I'm gonna put the rest of the lettuce there. 2 tomatoes, some white onions, pickles. Burger itself seems to be kind of like a hamburger. It's a little bit firmer if you ask me. It's not as squishy, but I've eaten veggie burgers before, and I actually like veggie burgers, so I don't have a problem with that. But yeah, I'm gonna take a bite with the bread and everything to give my impressions here, but I will be eating the rest probably without bread again to cut down on the carbs. So here we go. So with my trusty assistant Zach over there, I'm gonna have the first bite of the Impossible Whopper. Here we go. Got the smoky taste of your Burger King burger, if you know what I'm talking about, just flame grilled. Definitely a good sub. Yeah. Got that burger taste. There's no real suggestion of plants in this burger. Way better than my typical veggie burgers I used to eat way in the past. Yeah, so that was pretty good. All right, I think it's time for Zach to try it. Zach's turn with the Impossible Whopper. Just know that Zach has never had a Whopper before in his life, so he will give us his impression as someone who's never really eaten a Whopper before. How do you feel about eating a vegetable burger?
Yeah, good.
Okay, enjoy it. Most people start with the Whopper, but you're gonna start with the Impossible Whopper. Take a bite, bud. Tell us what you think. 2 big hands. 1 big bite. You always got a lot of onions there. Oh, he's just sticking it all in though. I'll get you a napkin, but eat that and let us know what you think.
This is good.
Yeah, why is it good?
I really love like the tomatoes and the lettuce and stuff.
Does it taste like a real burger?
Oh yeah.
Did you know that burger's made out of plants? Would you tell other people to eat the Impossible Whopper?
Oh yeah.
Really? All right. Well, 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 2 thumbs up. It's that good? All right, so you heard from Zach here first. The Impossible Whopper is a go. I've been seeing the same trend with other people online. Again, we're not vegan or vegetarians. We do like our veggies, but they do cook it on the same grill as the meat burgers. Not a big thing for us, but it might be to vegans out there. Zach liked it so much, he wanted another bite, and that's my dinner, so I'm hoping this goes well. Zach, 1 more bite, bud, and give us your impressions again. Yeah. Can you tell it's not meat?
Not really.
It tastes just like burger, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Are you in heaven right now?
Yeah.
All right. We also had Mommy come in here and take a bite. She doesn't like to be on camera, but she said it tasted just like meat too. So I gotta be honest with you, this Impossible Whopper is getting a good name because it does taste like meat. It's a good job. Burger King. Proud of you. I'm now gonna go for the main burger, which tastes just like meat. It looks like meat too. The only thing that's different really about it to me is that it's a little bit more rigid, but it's not like a puck or anything. It still tastes like meat. It's pretty good. Oh, look at it. Now that I'm eating the burger just itself, I can taste that it's a little different than meat, but not much. Not much. It's still got the same consistency. It's almost like a veggie burger, but they like made it better. That's the way I describe it. So it's kind of like a veggie burger, but it's looks, smells, tastes like meat, pretty much. That's your Impossible Whopper. Take another bite. Oh. I'm really liking this.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I'm not gonna go fast food every day for this or anything, but it is a good burger. All right, take another bite. My tactic here is the less I eat, the more I give up to Zach, the less calories I eat, so this is gonna be good. So the verdict is in. Zach, do we like the Impossible Whopper or not?
Yeah, 2 thumbs up for
2
that.
thumbs up, wow. Okay, I would say that it is definitely an awesome burger by itself. Do not buy it if you're vegan, if you have problems with them cooking it on a grill with meat. If you're looking for slightly lower calories as compared to the regular Whopper, the Impossible Whopper definitely does do a good job. What we're missing though, and it doesn't come with, is cheese. I don't know if that was a strategic decision or not, but I'd like to see some cheese on there. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think it can use some cheese.
Yeah.
Burger King, if you're listening, put cheese, or at least give the option to put cheese on the Impossible Whopper, and I think you got a pretty good burger there. All right, everyone on YouTube, thank you for tuning in. I know this was not the usual video, but everyone's talking about the Impossible Whopper, so I decided let's put it out there and let's see what we think, right?
Yeah.
All right, if you like what you saw here and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate everything you do for us. Thank you and have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.